Ready to ditch the tangled wires and connect your Turtle Beach Stealth 600 headset to your iPhone for the ultimate mobile gaming or listening experience. First, you'll need a Bluetooth adapter that supports the aptX low latency codec. This ensures minimal audio delay, crucial for gaming. A good option is the Aventry Leaf or similar Bluetooth transmitter designed for gaming headsets. Connect the Bluetooth adapter to a USB power source. This could be a wall adapter or even a portable power bank. Ensure it's powered on and ready to pair. Power on your Turtle Beach Stealth 600 headset. Usually, a green light will indicate it's on. Refer to your headset's manual for the exact power button location and indicator lights. Put the Bluetooth adapter into pairing mode. This usually involves pressing and holding a small button on the adapter until an indicator light starts flashing rapidly. Consult your adapter's manual for the exact procedure. Bring the Stealth 600 headset close to the Bluetooth adapter. The adapter should automatically detect the headset and begin pairing. This might take a few seconds. The indicator light on the adapter will usually change to solid once connected. Now you'll need a USB aux adapter for iPhone, like the Apple Lightning to USB camera adapter. Once connected, the audio from your iPhone will be outputted to your Turtle Beach Stealth 600 headset. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy wireless audio from your iPhone with your Turtle Beach Stealth 600 headset. Happy gaming!